What is a stairlift? Simply put, a stairlift provides a safe and reliable solution for individuals who have difficulty managing stairs. Stairlifts are a battery-operated chair mounted to a rail that is used to carry the user up and down stairs. Stairlifts are quiet, comfortable, and easy to use. A simple switch moves the chair up and down the track. They can also be operated by a remote control. The track for the lift is installed in the stairs, not on the walls. Most stairlifts allow you to fold their footrests, seats, and arms for safety to keep them away from children and to allow others to use the stairs as well. Often, stairlifts come with a key lock to prevent improper use by unapproved individuals. And if there are children in the house, it should be explained to them that it is not a toy or a means of transporting things around the house. And treating it as either of those things can potentially damage the stairlift. There are two main types of stairlifts. The type of stairs you have, whether they're straight or curved. It depends on the width of your stairs and the beginning and ending point of the track, and also the type of chair you wish to have, swivel or non-swivel.